shaping tomorrow with you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Executive Vice President, Fujitsu R&D Center North America, Goro Watanabe.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Fujitsu Executive Session. My name is Goro Watanabe. I'm from Fujitsu R&D Center North America. This session was scheduled right after Mr. Edison's keynote, so I can follow his story, whatever that is, that he didn't show. I'm flexible, so I can do whatever I can. And last year, I talked a lot about cloud computing and big data already. But this year, I would like to provide you with more practical tips to deal with big data and travel state. Because, you know, they're mainstream data technologies. You just can't walk away from them. You need to decide what to do with them sooner or later. And if you are thinking that you can leave them to commodity servers with Hadoop or something, or public cloud, you may become a big loser. I will tell you why, and I will tell you how to be a winner. This year, I have a quick introduction of Fujitsu. We'll talk about the new challenges we are facing, and also how Fujitsu will be able to help you. This year we have my colleague Bill King. He'll be joining us later in the session to talk about customer cases. That should help you too. So I'm pretty excited. It's a very busy session, but I hope you will enjoy it. Japan is known as a high-tech country, of course, and Fujitsu in Japan is known as one of the best high-tech companies. Actually, we're number one in many ways. We're number one total IT company, number one in server business. We're second to only Apple in smartphone business. We have supercomputer, we have big data, cloud computing solutions, we have pretty much everything. If you're not quite familiar with Fujitsu name, we are Amdo too. Amdo, of course, is one of the best IT companies in the US, and they became part of Fujitsu. Actually, my office is in old Amdo campus in Sunnyvale, and we have a lot of ex-Amdo employees. And Mr. Edison himself is ex-Amdo. Did you know that? It's very important. And he was working for Amdo before he started all. So he's an ex-Fujitsu. He got to be nice to us. We have a good reason. This good-looking computer is a K supercomputer, jointly developed with Riken. This was, until 2011, world's fastest supercomputer. It is still the top-class supercomputer and still generating a lot of exciting scientific achievements. The reason why I put it here is that today's main subject, which is the M10 new business server, has a lot in common with this supercomputer, such as high-performance processor, high-speed data transfer, or liquid cooling, and we even enhanced those technologies to build Fujitsu M10 new business server for you. I picked another interesting technology that Fujitsu has. This device device. This device looks small, but it's 5 feet long, very heavy, solid, hard. I like to touch it, very smooth. What do you think this is? This is a transponder for submarine cables. It sits at the bottom of the ocean, transfers, amplifies signals 24/7. What if it failed? Any idea? What if it failed? You can't return it to fries, even if you had a receipt. They won't take it. You can't send a repairman. Actually, it can't fail. It is designed and manufactured to work for 25 years or even more without maintenance. This is proof that Fujitsu provides not just performance, but also quality. It's super quality, durability, reliability. That's why customers appreciate Fujitsu. It's like this. And we are not just another company that provides technology and make money. We have been around for 75 years. And 2 years ago, when Japan was hit by a massive disaster, huge earthquake followed by tsunami and nuclear plant failure, we sent a crew to support people, made a lot of donations, and we just received the 21st Century Achievement Award for humanitarian activities. That's Fujitsu. One more technology I'd like to explain is tablet. Some of you might think that Fujitsu is a tablet company. Natural, because we started tablet business long before Apple started its iPad. I brought 3 tablets, new tablets that runs Windows 8 here for you to win at the end of the session. They are supposed to be audience retainer, as you suspect. I didn't mean to put them on the table. I'm sorry, but it's not that expensive. If you get bored with my presentation and you want to go, look at them. They might become yours. Are you okay to go? That's what it means, but my staff did. I didn't mean to brag about those tablets. Okay, so then the conclusion in the introduction. We have everything. Fujitsu has everything you need. If you want a world fastest supercomputer, we can build one for you. And if you want a submarine cable, we can install one for you. Just call me. If you want a tablet, we need it today. Or please buy it. Nothing for wealthy people like you. We all talk about big data. But not everybody understands the challenge we are facing. Let's talk about it. It's not me. But I have one thing in common with the movie star. Maybe only one thing. Braces. Can you see his brace? Do braces have something to do with the subject? Yes. Yes, they do. I will tell you why later. Have you ever heard of flash crash? Not many. Every one of us can sell or buy stocks, right? And we have professional stock traders, such as fund managers. They sell and buy huge quantities of stocks every day. And these days, in addition to humans, we have computer applications. They sell and buy stocks without human help. I mean, they make a decision to buy what stock, how many. So my question for you here is, actually I'll be asking some questions to make the session fun. So it has nothing to do with the present, so don't worry about it. Just enjoy thinking with me. So what part of daily stock trade is done by computers versus humans? 5% or less? 5% or more? More? Oh, okay. About 10%? 10% or more? More. Okay, how about 20%? 30%? Wow, 40, 50, 60, 99. Not that much. How about 80? I was surprised. I wanted to surprise you, but I was surprised. Actually, more than 80% of daily stock trading is done by computers. And they hiccup. They panic. They're not emotional, but they still panic at bad news, bad rumors, like humans do. But we're so slow. So we don't show like that. But if computers panic, it happens. Like this. Do you know how much was lost in this particular flash there? This was a famous flash, maybe first reported in history, 2010 May 6. It was 2:45 p.m. So near the closing time in New York. How much do you think? It's $1 billion or less? More. 1 billion. More. Okay, 2 billion. 5 billion. No more. 10 billion. More. 20. It's not that you're paying, so don't worry. 20, 30. I don't hear. You're not even close. Temporarily, $1 trillion disappeared in just 10 minutes. One company's stock lost its value, 99% of its value in just 4 seconds. Humans can't make it happen. We can't even place a single order. You know what I mean? Next slide, please. Come again. I'm new to braces. I didn't have to have one in my teens. And they're kidding, actually. You should know that Americans always wear braces. And I'm working real hard right now to entertain my special guests. I can't speak, I can't eat, I couldn't even think about any idea about the presentation. So I decided to use this story in my presentation. I complained to my doctor, dentist. Doctor, in my industry, everything is 100 times faster every decade. Orthodontics doesn't seem to have made any improvement. Put a wire like this and pull them to move them for many years. Please, don't you have any better technology? The Dr. Lee said, smiling, Goro, it's not technology. It's human body. Humans can't catch up with the technology. He has a point. Humans, human body, human brain can't catch up with our own technology. We have to face it. That's the beginning. If you call it a race like stock trading, it's a computer race. It's not a computer versus human race, like the movie Terminator. If you want to win the race, you need a computer with a speed. Speed is the key. Speed is the key, okay. But what is speed? Can you define speed? Specifically, computer speed. We can't achieve it without understanding. I don't see many people understand and explain it clearly. But don't worry,